Hey you, we're KEA Outdoors. This is the wild, and this is your trash. Let's face it, trash is usually the last thing we think about out here. That's why we settle for this. This, or even worse, this. Introducing KEA Stash. Leak-free, smell-free, trash compacting bag for every adventure. The Stash turns this into this. Just fill it, crush it, and stash it. It means no more bulk, or who knows what might be leaking through your pack. It means no more cleaning uncleanable. You'll be able to adventure with mess-free freedom. From here to here and here. What a beauty. And even here, the Stash keeps your nasties, well, stashed. The genius of the Stash combines two of your favourite things, a Ziploc bag and a dry sack, but does both of them so much better. The TPU liner with oversized zip seal means nothing can escape or leak. It's never been so easy to clean up after your last trip. Just push out the trash, rinse it nice and clean, and she's good to go for your next adventure. The Stash is so much more than just a trash bag. It can be used as an emergency water bag, a food bag, a fish bag, a meat bag. Shanks, mate. And you guessed it, even a bag. Just be sure not to mix them up. We launched our first product on Kickstarter last year to thousands of happy backers. Here for your next adventure. So back us now